Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are fit and healthy. Our today's topic is 4-digit numbers, and this clip is second part of 4-digit numbers. In this clip, I will teach you number 1 place value and number 2 making greatest and smallest numbers. Number 1 place value. In my previous clip, I taught you how to read and write 4-digit numbers. Let's recall. As I told you, we write 4-digit numbers from right to left. We write ones at the rightmost side, then tens, then hundreds, and then thousands at the leftmost side. Look at this example. 8 is at ones place, 3 is at tens place, 2 is at hundreds place, 1 is at thousands place. So we will read it as 1238. Now I will teach you about place value. Place means position of a number and value means worth. So place value means worth of a number according to its place. Place value is a place value of a digit based on its place or position in a number. It depends on its place in a number. The value of each place becomes 10 times from ones to leftwards. Suppose a digit 6. If the digit 6 at ones place, its place value will be 6. If it is at tens place, its place value will be 60. If it is at hundreds place, its place value will be 600. If it is at thousands place, its place value will be 6000 and so on. You can easily understand it with this example. The digit is 6000. The number is. You can easily understand it with this example. The number is 6875. First, we write ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. And then we put the digits according to their places. 5 is on ones place, 7 is on tens place, 8 is on hundreds place and 6 is on thousands place. 5 is on ones place means place value of 5 is 5 ones or 5 into 1 equal to 5. 7 is on tens place means place value of 7 is 7 tens or 7 into 10 equal to 70. 8 is on hundreds place. It means place value of 8 is 8 hundreds or 8 into 100. This equal to 800. 6 is on thousands place. It means place value of 6 is 6 thousands or 6 into 1000, 6000. Here is one more example for you. 2 is at ones place. Place value of 2 is 2. 0 is at tens place. The place value of 0 is 0 tens. This is equals to 0. 7 is at hundreds place. Place value of 7 is 700. 3 is at thousands place. Place value of 3 is 3000. So we will read it as 3702. Now I will teach you how to make greatest and smallest numbers by given digits. For making greatest number, we have to arrange the digits in descending order. And for making smallest number, we arrange the digits in ascending order. While making smallest number, if there is a 0, always remember it comes after a digit which is just greater than 0, because 0 at the beginning has no value. Assume you have two digits. One is 0 and second is 5. If you put 0 before 5, it means only 5. While putting 0 after 5, it means 50. In this example, we have 4 digits. These are 2, 8, 7 and 6. For making greatest number with these digits, we have to arrange them in descending order. First, we will put the greatest given digit, that is 8, and then 7, which is smaller than 8, and then 6, which is smaller than 7, and in last 2, which is the smallest digit, and the number we get 8762. For making smallest number with these digits, we have to arrange them in ascending order. First, we will put smallest number, that is 2. Then 6, which is greater than 2. Then 7, which is greater than 6. And in last 8, which is the greatest digit in these digits. So number we get 2678. Here is one more example for you with 0. The digits are 5, 0, 2 and 8. For making greatest number, same pattern, arrange them in descending order. First we put 8, then 5, then 2 and in last 0. Number we get 8520. For making smallest number, arrange these digits in ascending order and put 0 after its just greater than digit, that is 2. So first we put 2, then 0, then 5 and in last 8. The number we get is 2058. Hope you got it well. Revise it once more at your home. This clip will help you to solve worksheet number 5. Here are some questions for you to practice at your home. Stay at home, be safe and keep learning.